Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair plummeted 2.8% in the last session. The CCI indicates an oversold market. The last session saw the euro drop 0.5% against the dollar. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market. The pound fell 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market. The Aussie-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Wall Street's indexes were near record highs ahead of an upcoming batch of economic data that could influence the Federal Reserve's pace of interest rate cuts. Several stocks added to gains they have notched since Donald Trump won the election, as traders expect them to benefit from his return to the White House. Bitcoin surpassed the record $85,000 mark for the first time in history, potentially setting the stage for a six-figure price tag before 2025. The new all-time high comes a week after former President Donald Trump won the 2024 elections in the United States, securing his second term in office. Investors are piling into bullish options bets on Tesla shares, with the stock hitting its highest level in more than 2 years, on bets that CEO Elon Musk's close ties to President-elect Donald Trump may benefit the electric car maker.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
As we look at the economic calendar for the days ahead, investors should be aware of several key data releases that could shape market sentiment. High-impact events are on the horizon, and understanding their potential influence will be crucial for positioning in global markets. As we monitor these key releases, traders should prepare for potential market volatility. Keeping an eye on these data points will help stay ahead of any significant moves in the days ahead.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.